wish I knew this a lot sooner, how to do these trigger replacements. Unfortunately, I found that out by myself. You know, I came up with this. I didn't have anyone to tell me this, but now I am telling you. Use trigger replacements. Get an object that reminds you of something regarding porn, something that gives you urges, and replace it with something else. So if a deodorant spray looks like a porn site for some reason to you, or the text on it, the font, replace it with something like, hey, this looks like an art of nature. Hey, this looks like a football. That's how it works. Every time you see that, you think of the porn thingy, you repeat like, hey, I know I think that, but I actually think it looks more like an art of nature. It looks like a football. And that's how you speed up the recovery process, because it will be easier for you to resist stuff with this technique. And for the guys who are relapsing during NoNutNovember, this is a great way to boost up the streak. But there is a thing that you need to remember. Every time you fail, it becomes harder to win. Does that make sense? Every time you fail, I don't know if you've noticed, you have like a 7-day streak or a 3-day streak that you can't break. It's a psychological barrier because you're resisting stuff. You don't need to resist the urges. You need to replace the urges with other stuff. I have a whole lecture on this. I think I did it on the day 6 of NoNutNovember. Look it up. How to divert your energy, how to do workouts, for example, for primal urges, and for porn urges you can do meditation, you can do journaling, other ways to relieve stress. That's a very short way to put that, but look at that video. It's really worth your time. Day 23, Kobe, rest in peace. NoFap revolution out.